Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So today we are going to the beach, and as you can see, we are in Daddy's car today. We haven't been in Daddy's car in a very long while. So we're just going to the beach because he wants to fly his drone. He got disappointed yesterday because the sun was not shining, but the sun is not shining even today though. So what you going to do about
but it's
that?
better. I mean, yesterday it was very dark, so
it was very overcast.
Lighter.
Yeah, so he's gonna fly. You know what I should have done?
Yeah?
I should have brought a book with me, because now I'm just gonna watch you fly your drone.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that though. That's the thing. So I'm gonna watch him fly his drone while I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be responding to comments on the vlog we just posted.
Oh yeah.
So we posted a vlog a few minutes ago, and I see a lot of people are commenting on it already. So I'm just gonna take some time and comment back on those comments, because I love the interaction. Thank you so much guys for always watching and giving love and nice words and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But then afterwards we need to go buy some food because it is a Sunday, so we need to kind of like prepare for the week coming. So we're just gonna do that. So change of plans, you guys. Somebody said he was feeling hungry and decided that we should rather just take a short left and go. What is this place called?
I don't know. Yes.
We've been to this place numerous times, but I still don't know what this place is called. But it is at Point Beach, right?
Yeah.
It's at Point Beach, and it's a very, very nice place.
Point Beach. Eh?
What is it called?
The Point Beach is that downtown, apparently. Then this is Point Waterfront.
So Point Waterfront, Point Beach. I'm not sure what it is. So I'm not sure what this place is, but
it's just at the edge.
It's at the edge. We really love this place. It's just so airy. It is light. It's it's one of those places whereby if it's a Sunday afternoon, you just wanna come here and just chill. So we decided to come here and just grab a drink and some food because somebody said he's very hungry. So we're just gonna do that. I do think this is better than just watching you fly your drone though. So I appreciate this. Yeah, it's very nice. So much food. It's literally bigger than my head, this plate. Literally. Let's eat, baby. So we have a bit of everything here. We have some fries, some onion rings, some chicken wings, some nachos. I don't know what this is. What is this, babe?
Fish fingers. I don't know.
Fish fingers?
It looks like fish fingers.
I don't think these are fish fingers.
No, it might be something else, but human.
I don't know what it is. morning, guys. Welcome back. It's another day. I am actually running late. I don't even have my watch on, but I need to be at my nail appointment for 11:30, and I think the time right now is 20 past already. The good thing is it's only 7 minutes away driving, so I'm gonna be there shortly, but I don't really want to be late because sometimes it's a scramble finding parking in that area, especially during the weekend. But yeah, I just want to soak off my nails. I'm not gonna do them yet. I'm just gonna give them like a week to breathe, and then I'm gonna go back and actually do them. But yeah, let's go do our nails. I just finished having breakfast today. I did not have the stamina to actually make breakfast. I just had some cornflakes and some coffee, and that was that. I actually didn't even think about Tshepo. So he's gonna sort himself out when I'm gone. But yeah, let's go. Okay, bye, baby.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes.
He just left a camera shop. What is it? Is it a camera store or a camera shop?
Store.
A camera store. We wanted to buy a new lens because I mean there's something we want to try out. So we bought a new lens. I think we're quite happy with it, but we can't wait to like get home and try it out properly just to see how it really makes our content look. But yeah, so now why are we stopping, babe?
Because we want food, so it must be discussed.
It must be discussed on the side of the road.
I'll drive, and then when we're about to get home, then like, no, let's actually go. Then get a protest, and then becomes a war between Ukraine and Russia.
Aren't you hungry though?
No, I'm not hungry.
Guys, I've been telling Tshepo. So before we left home, I was cleaning my jars to make candles, and I took off my ring, and now I literally feel like I'm empty. Like I don't know if this is just me, but I literally feel weird, and I feel like my hand is empty and it's very light and it's just not right. If you know what I mean, please tell me I'm not the only one that when you take your ring off it just feels weird. But anyway, let's discuss what we're gonna eat, baby. What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
Because you haven't eaten the whole day. What do you want to eat?
That's a hard question.
I don't know either. This is us standing on the side of the road trying to decide what we're gonna eat, and we have no idea.
The issue is I need to decide, because if I don't decide, we'll stay here for the whole day.
That's true. Finally decided on what to buy for lunch, and we got some of this. As you can see, we have some chicken, a little bit of beef, ucheke of course, and a little bit of salad. I can't wait to taste this, but we had to drive very far to get it. We literally drove to Mbilo to get this because Tshepo just remembered that there is a place that he knows of and he was craving this sort of food, so we drove there to get something to eat, and we're just gonna eat and then we're gonna get to work. Did I tell you guys I'm so excited? GM Candle Co is back in business. Okay, we're back in business because some of our supplies that we've been waiting for finally arrived. So yeah, if you were wondering why we've been quiet on our Instagram page, why I wasn't saying anything, are you okay, baby?
Yes.
Tshepo was busy interrupting me. He just literally stood in front of me and started just staring at me. But yeah, so that's why we've been quiet, is because we've been waiting. But yeah, so we are back in business, and I will be telling you guys for you, yeah. I don't know what I want to drink, so I will be telling you guys when we're gonna be launching again for the second time, I guess, because it's been a while since we had anything updated or anything new on our website. But what I will say though is, with the initial launch, you guys, babe, I'm gonna include you here. Weren't we just mesmerized by the support? Weren't we just, it was crazy.
Yeah, it was super crazy.
It was crazy.
If I go back to the launch, I think for the first 2 weeks we're literally just packing orders every day, and it was like a large number of orders. And then as time went on, we saw like now we're like
decline.
we're now packing 3 orders a day, and until we literally stopped out.
And then what is it, Black Friday came. After Black Friday came, it was also another like spike, and then we after that we basically we kind of sold out in December. And so we've been waiting to do a restock, and now we finally can, and we're very, very excited about it. But yeah, let me eat so that I don't just keep on babbling. But what we really just wanted to say is thank you so much for the wonderful reception. And you know, we really like it when we get feedback saying we enjoying the candles look good, they smell amazing, you know, and you taking pictures and you tag us on our Instagram page. It is just amazing, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. But yeah, let me eat because I am hungry as well. So it is evening time. Sorry, I have my AirPods on. I don't know where I left the case. I was listening to music, but then I was like, okay, it's time for my skincare routine. And yeah, anyway, I wanted to show you guys the products that I got prescribed off by my dermatologist. I have decided to actually take my skincare seriously this year. I decided this thing of me trying to figure it out on my own is not working, it is not sustainable. I decided to go see a professional about it, because the thing is, I have been trying to, you know, use products that other people have recommended. And you know, when you go on YouTube, people saying, or when you look at influencers and they're saying, I use this for my skin, and you see their skin glowing, and you try that product, it doesn't work. I decided, you know what, I think it's time for me to take this to a real professional. But I just wanted to show you guys. So I started my journey with the dermatologist like 2 weeks ago. So I want to show you guys my skin right now. As you can see, I don't have any new breakouts even on my forehead. I don't really have any new breakouts. What I do have is just around you know, the scars that are remaining from the acne that I have had, but other than that, it's just you know, any other pimple that won't leave a scar that's currently on my face. So the reason why I decided to really go for like a dermatologist is because I saw how it helped Tshepo with his skincare journey. Because was it last year he went to a dermatologist who put him on some medication. I think he was on Oratane for like 6 months, and afterwards his skin has been glowing ever since. He does not get any breakouts, like even with him, and it will just be like any other small anyana pimple that won't leave any scar, whatever the case may be. So I decided, you know what, it is time for me to also take my skin seriously and go see a professional, because the recommendations of try this, do that, I use this, it works, it didn't work out for me. I do have really sensitive skin, but what I will say is, though, I have been using this the Benzodem range of products, and to tell you the truth, that's the only thing that has kind of like kept me sane and has been kind of working for me. But the thing about Benzodem though is it doesn't necessarily get rid of the acne. It like suppresses, you know, the visibility of it. But if you forget to take Benzod, like if you forget to like use the Zit kit, the gel of it, like one day, the next morning I would wake up and I would have new outbreaks, you know, and it would leave scars. And I was like, you know what, it is time for me to see a professional. So I want to show you guys what my doctor prescribed to me. So the first things that she gave me were these prescription gels. This is the Galdima Differin gel. I'm not sure if you can see that. So this is the Differin gel, and I'm only supposed to take like pea size of this not every alternate night, and I alternate it with this gel. This is the Skinorin gel. So on Monday I would take this, on Tuesday I would take this, and I will just alternate them every night, and I would pair them with this cream. This is the Neostrata Restore Biohydrating Cream that I use as my nighttime cream, and then I top it all off with this serum. This is the Neostrata Enlightening Illuminating Serum. So the purpose of this serum is that it is supposed to kind of like reduce the appearance of the marks of the acne scars, the marks that have been left by the fact that I've been suffering from acne. And then during the day I don't really use much during the day. In fact, she didn't give me anything special for during the day. So what I do use is this this is the Neostrata Clarify Sheer Hydration cream with sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 40. And then the Neostrata range of products, I already had them here at home with. So when she told me about them, I was like, okay, I don't need to buy these because I already have them at home, because Tshepo's doctor had already told him about them. And then she recommended this HelioCare 360 sunscreen. This is a gel oil-free sunscreen because I do have oily skin, so she said this would work best, and it is SPF 50. So these two combined, I think for the 2 weeks since I've been on and the cleanser, let me show you the cleanser. We are, well, I say we are because Tshepo and I are we are using the same products at this point. And this is the cleanser. This is the Neostrata PHA facial cleanser. This is what we use to basically wash our face. So when I wash in the morning or at night, this is the cleanser that I use. But if this doesn't help or work out in 3 months, then we're gonna reassess, because I do have another appointment booked already, and then we might maybe go on some light medication, nothing deep like Tshepo's Oratain. Maybe for this vlog, this is where I'm gonna end it, and then we're gonna have to start another one. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.